Okay, so then we're using the stock take. Okay, actually count stock we got two way lah. Okay, normally we just explain the stock take to count the stock. Okay, maybe I go to count. I go for this outlet to count this store to count. I got four quantity. So I put four quantity lah. After I put four quantity, okay, so system will help me to uh, not sorry, put as my four quantity is that day opening stock value. Okay, okay, opening stock value of the day lah. So then after we know the opening stock value at the of the day, then system only will know that for the last night closing stock quantity versus today the opening stock quantity, then we will know the gain loss. Okay, after we know the gain loss actually for the company, therefore they will check the gain loss report after stock take. So after they know the stock take the gain loss already, they will one by one product to check why I lost, why I gain. Okay, because this one they need to know, right? It's not only I lost already then lost. This not correct, right? This the important thing that if I already count already, I know loss already. I need to know why I lost, correct, right? If you are boss, right? If you buy 10 mouse, suddenly you go to count the stock already. Hey, suddenly is one quantity mouse only. What will fail? You want to know, right? If not only one, not only I got one quantity, then okay lor. Something like this is not logic, right? You need to know why will loss, right? Okay, here will anyone will got feedback. Later, go for next idea. Vincent.
Just may I ask, what is the condition, what is the situation we will gain after the book value versus the physical quantity? Gain.
Okay, because sometimes Vincent asked just now I explained related about the loss, right? But Vincent say is let's say my stock balance is 5 quantity, okay, but suddenly I count the time it's become 7 quantity, okay. This is the thing that we maybe will have happen few thing. The first one maybe previous you count the stock it count wrong already. This is the thing that will happen. Another one maybe you doing receiving the time you're receiving wrong. Okay. Or something that maybe you maybe the product you put to somewhere lah, okay. You receiving the time maybe you put to somewhere, then someone without information from somewhere to put back to the correct location. Normally is this all will happen this one. Okay. So in behalf will ask in XeerSoft stock adjustment entry have document type store take store in now. Yeah, behalf what you ask. Oh, you means what is the difference? Okay. Okay, you see the link stock take just now I did explain already. This one is for the stock count. Okay. The stock in out and the stock gain loss actually both also for how to say for our expense is stock gain loss actually is stock in out also, but just the name okay different. Okay, so for different how to say different business type to use. Okay, stock in out like just now what I say out I issue for the production, right? Okay, the raw material. Stock in means that I issue for the stock receiving, right? The finished good receiving, right? Stock gain, stock loss is like just now I explained in stock take loss, correct, right? Stock gains mean that I count the stock already. Okay, suddenly I gain one product because I no issue. Someone maybe take back to me already. Okay, so I can using the stock gains. Stock loss means that I like how to say is got few way lah. Okay, something like my product expire already. So this product I can sell already or not? Cannot, right? But this product how can I cannot count at my stock already, correct, right? So I will know, oh, I got 5 product is expired already. So I will direct issue stop loss. Okay, okay, I lost 5 product because of expired already. Okay, maybe semalam, okay, some tikus come in to eat your food. Okay, so it's considered loss already, right? Okay, then if you know, then you issue the stop loss lah. Okay, Biha, understand that.
I can understand now.
Ayo, you explain lah. Okay, thank you. So I go for next one. Thing to consider when it come to stock. Okay, just pass lah. Okay. So something that okay when the stock is something that we normally for the way we need to think that actually okay, do you have the right product in the stock? Okay, this is the thing that we need to consider when we ordering some stock the time. Okay, we need to ensure okay the product is the right product in our stock lah. Okay, how do you know when your stock level low? Okay, this one we need to know also, right? This one actually is for the stock department now. Okay, they need to know about this one. Okay, if I meet the low level already, what should I do? I need to always to check for my department. Okay, this is the thing that is important for us also, right? To avoid my stock not enough also, right? Okay. Have you even run out of stock or lost sales as a result? Okay. We got to plan this one or not to plan. Okay, I got any report is out of stock or not, or any sales actually are going to loss or not for any product. Okay. Another one, the last one actually the stock exists now. Okay, means that I order the too many product already. Maybe 1 year or 2 year or 3 year I buy already. Until now I still haven't sales. We got any product, any proper plan or any report to check this one or not? Okay, what is the solution related about this one? Okay, I based on the last one. Okay, maybe be open for everyone to how to say to bring for discuss lah. Okay, let's say you already buy already we don't say avoid we already buy already. Okay, maybe I buy product A. Okay, maybe 3 year already and got 3,000 pieces. Okay, current I selling the price maybe 10 ringgit each. Okay, and around 3 year haven't sales before. So if you are the boss or your client to ask you, what is the solution? You will ask, you will tell them. Anyone got idea? What is the solution? What is the idea you will provide to them? Okay, has to repeat.
For me lah, I think got two way can suggest. One, you give promotion to that product. Second, you give FOC for that product. But you need to make sure when you give that FOC, for example, like this product just now, Justin said, the cost is 5 ringgit. Actually, sales to normal sales is 10 ringgit. But then it can be added as FOC to another item. For example, I'm selling product Apple, FOC that the item that cannot sell lah, that one. But then I need to make sure that product Apple is already cover my FOC cost. Something like this lah. Okay.
Khadijah, I think of this is highly depend on the product lah. For example, like stationery, pencil or pens, maybe I can suggest to repacking, assembly lah, make it into some itu apa? Hamper, and then add on value lah, and then I can add on my packaging with some ribbon and add on profit lah. Okay, thank you.
From what Khadijah, I got another idea. Maybe this excess stock, right? Like if few years already no one buy, so I think maybe can do like a giveaway winner like that, so that this one can contribute to the marketing sales department, so many people will come to your store. So
Okay, thank you. JPT got any sharing or not? Just now I heard QL, all very good to do business. They were giving a promotion, or they were giving a FOC by something PWP. Okay, buy something for that, then I give FOC this for that. Okay. So like Kapi just now said about hamper, something like this. Okay. So this all actually is also work, but also you based on the business need lah. It's also is a good idea also. So other than that, other got anyone to share or not? JP got anything want to share or not? Or this question? Listen can provide the bundle sales. Yes, with the hot product. Yes, can also. Other than that, no. No, Vincent one.
So I'm not sure this one correct or not. Just now talking about a good relationship with the supplier. So maybe any life situation can ask supplier to makan back. I mean, then because to maintain the goods quality, because already 3 years. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Vincent say maybe try to discuss with the supplier to get the return. Also, yeah, this one actually we prepare the cost price lah. Yeah, also can. Yeah, this one actually can work with the promotion together. Means that I talk to supplier, okay, because this one I hardly sales. I want to sell cheaper, but your cost is like this, okay. So we both lost something, okay. So maybe you return some reduce some cost for me, so I will sell the cheaper. Yeah, they can talk with supplier, maybe can maintain the quality also lah. So other than that, maybe Biha say is a welcome gift to yeah, if the product is not very high cost, maybe you can do this. Okay, but something that maybe if your sometime it's based on maybe your how to say, if you open retail, something that if you open retail, okay, so maybe if you open new retail the time, you can put some promotion product to include this one, because you open the new outlet that time, right? Normally you will do the big offer, right? Something very to let other know or you open the new outlet. So this all the product you can consider, okay, I'm going to do the big promotion. Okay, so other client, okay, their customer see it, okay, they will come and buy your thing, correct, right? Because something like this, okay, of course, not every promotion is work, but this some of the idea, okay, we can ask to provide to our client, no? Give a promotion price to assess employee. Or yeah, you can give current employee to buy also. Can also. Other than that, anyone? I'll ask Along. I want to ask. Behalf share idea. Okay. Along.
Okay, my point of view also mostly like QA lah. Okay, if buy too many, then normally we'll do some promotion to make sure I can hopefully can get back lah. In Chinese say 薄利多销哦。Okay, means I sell with cheaper profit lor, but with many lah, so I can gain back at least a bit lah. Let's say now still can buy the 2.5 ringgit wanton mee. Still have that many other sellers say, many other people say, hey, this one confirm cannot lah. Well, rugi ma, confirm rugi ma, but still got people sell 2.5 ringgit. So it's something like this. Okay,
Yeah, just now, right, is the promotions, which means the products that you want to, all those product, the cost might be cheaper, so you can do for promotions. How about if the product is inexpensive? So for me, I think might be in another way will be like example is if we'll do like a sales lah, like if the member buy more than 1,000 ringgits, then might be will FOC for the products, so we'll attract all the members to come for purchase lah. This is the another way lah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Yan say is another promotion means that I buy certain amount, then I can FOC some this product lor. Okay. So this all actually is handled by our promotion, right? Our promotion can work about this one now. Okay. But if let's say you provide this all the solution to customer already. Okay, but customer to tell you that I can if like this I lost a lot. But actually you know that okay, their product actually cannot sell already. But client still thinking that my cost is very higher. If sell like this, I will lose a lot. Okay. What you think that maybe I cannot ask this. We actually like just now we say about the stock that time, right? Means that I got assist of the stock, right? Okay, some of the client they will think that I purchase already means I already pay the money already ma. Okay, means that even I didn't sell, I only lost the first time I pay the cost only ma. This one you think correct or wrong? Means that I buy back something already, I put inside my store. I pay 1,000 ringgit already. So this 1,000 cost, okay, I already pay already ma. So I put inside my store ma. So if without sales, I just keep at there. Do you think that the money will lose? The money will got some expenses related this product or not? Yes, actually we still need to pay the warehouse fee. Means that your even you put inside your retail means that you still need some place to put this all the product, right? The place actually we still need to pay the money, right? Okay. If without the product, actually they still can put another product for sales, right? Okay, because you know the product cannot sell anything. You put inside there actually is waste your place, right? Okay, this is the thing that we need to try to discuss with customer. If they think that I think I lost a lot, but you can share about if you didn't put this and you think that cannot sell already, why you still want to using the warehouse cost to put inside there? Okay, so I think my since where okay, I think my sharing until here. So I anyone got any feedback or not after my before I end my course. I think maybe we go for same like last time, no? Everyone share one by one. Okay, for Su Hui, FPR for phone product will keep discreet. Yeah, for yes, for Su Hui one, yes, the one like just now TV phone if they keep too long yes, the price will drop also. Mm. Yeah, the one you need to talk with the supplier. Some supplier is not allowed to return. Some supplier may be allowed to return. Yeah, you need to have a good relationship with your supplier. Yeah. Okay, I think maybe we go for one by one to sharing lah. I think everyone maybe share around 1 or 2 minutes lah. So I pass to Yan Fen lah.
Yeah. So for today class, I think the sharing more organized. So for this time, a lot easier for me to understand on the content of this training. So big thumbs up to Justin.
Okay, so I'm very busy on typing, handling, but still can manage to get this topic lah. So I think this quite useful. Okay, about the stock, how to handle. Okay, what I get is mainly lah, is for management, save costs. Okay, save money and handle well the stock lah. Okay, so this is the point I get lah. Thank you.
Yeah, after this training, right, can you be much more understand about the stock in the business? Why the clients, or what should we include in our planning when we want to start a business for the stock part? So all this is really useful, lor. Thank you.
For this round, for me, as a QA, we always think about the system part, how we can help business, but still in system punya part lah. So from this course, for the stock one, we can luaskan pemandangan, think on management side, not only we can help them to solve the stock management on the system part, but using the business logic also lah.
Okay, so for me from today, I see a lot of how to say view from different side, client side, business nature. So this one I understand already why different client will have different new requirement in system, but then using the same menu, for example, stock adjustment like that. Okay, that's all for me.
Today training, Justin is just like bringing me to tourism to the client side to the stock warehouse. Bring a different view to me lah. I feel very interesting. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I think JB, maybe you open the mic also to talk lah. Maybe behind you how to answer. Maybe you share first.
For me, for today's class is more content today. So for me, type of the product more, maybe we will not thinking much on the type of the product, both of the raw material and WIP. Most of us not touch for that one. So I think this is good for us to know this. Thank you. So next, we will have to waiting.
For me today, for this topic, I learned know how a business handle the stock and what of the condition will occur during manage the stock, and know how to using the stock adjustment for the raw material and the finished good. That's all for me. Thank you. And next is can Jiahui help?
Hello, 对呀，佳慧。
For me, I think I would like to thanks Malacca team for preparing this training. So from this lesson, I get more idea on how a company organize their stock and also how the stock management make the benefits and loss to the company. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you.
Nigel.
Okay, so from this section, we can know what is the stock management and then what's the meaning and purpose of the stock not stock tag, stock in out and stock gain loss. So this is a good sharing section. So that's all from me. Thank you. Next, Vicky.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, for this session, I learned about the stock management concept and how it's being utilized in the XeerSoft system, such as the stock take, stock in, out, and stock gain. So I thank you, Justin, and also the Malacca team for giving me insights on this course. So that's all from me. Thank you. Next, I'll pass to Ziching.
Okay, well, for me, before that, I thought I can realize that organizing a business is not that easy. Before that, I just thought that, yeah, if there's a requirement, I just can buy as much as possible for the stock. But after this, I know that you still need to consider a lot of things. I still know those things. So yeah, it's a new knowledge to me. Thank you. Yeah.
Anthony. Anthony. Can you hear? Hello. Next, Hong Hong.
Yeah. So, and thank you, marketing. First of all, I learned about the different type of stock, like the raw material that we never think before. And then, besides that, it's also like how to handle from the raw material, then become the finished good inside the system. Yeah. So I think that's all. Thank you. So next, Li Sheng.
Okay. So for this week lesson, what I learned from it is I'll learn how the uses of the store note lah, like how to apply the store note logic, followed by the actual business behavior, like from the raw material into the WIP and then the final product, how the document will involve, and then how it should be used. And then from business perspective, I also have some new idea on how the inventory stocks actually affect the business lah. So this is what I learned from this session. So thank you. Next, Yongqing.
Okay. Very good morning and thank you for Malacca team for conducting this course. So for me, today this is a good chance for me to get knowing in all the stock thing for let me know how the stock will be affected the business, and if a stock is already expired, how will be the business um manage it. So a very good experience for me and get many knowledge from here. That's all for me. Thank you. Next can Pei Hong.
So thank you for Malacca teams for sharing this knowledge for us, and I have also learned different view from different people. So that's a good experience for me. Thank you. So next can Izudin.
Izudin ada noise.
So behind all finished already.
Kim Yang, you finished already?
Huh?
Hello. First, thank you for the Malacca team to doing this session. In this session, I learned the stocking, and the client can know how to help entire their business and control the stock and make sure they can easy to manage their stock. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Newton.
For this training, I learned about the stock, and I also can know what is about the stock management. And I also can see for the replies from other people to know some different understanding about the stock. And this is a good training for me in more understanding the stock management. And thank you, Malacca team, for sharing the knowledge in this course. So that's it for me.
Italy.
Hello. Okay, so through this section, I have learned the details about stock, like why the stock management is important and how to manage the stock. And also, I can see from other person ideas lah. So I gain a lot from this session, and thank you for the sharing. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you. Lastly, you would want to share something?
Not sure. I think I still send feedback. The session need more communications. So if you have queries, you can ask. Then you will have more benefit to yourself lah. So it's a good sessions. I think from that side, do help the team to understand more. So yeah, I think that's all from me.
Okay, it's all finished already. Then thank you all. So the next class will be after 2 weeks, Friday lah. And coming soon, I will assign the assignment in the YS group lah. Okay, anything feedback you can, anything you want to enhance or you want to feedback, you can ask me also lah personally. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, Justin.